This is second lesson of JavaScript tutorial, and today we'll talk about the syntax of JavaScript. At the beginning, first let's see how to implement JavaScript on the page. There are three different ways how to add JavaScript on the page. We can add JavaScript inside the head section. Also, we can add JavaScript inside the body. And we can create external JavaScript file. For now, let's add JavaScript inside the head section of the page. And for that, we're gonna use script tag. So let's create a script tag. And when we talk about script tag, we need to mention that script tag has two important attributes: language and type attribute. Language attribute specifies what scripting language we are using, and typically value for this attribute is JavaScript. So let's add language attribute. And value is JavaScript. And second attribute of script tag is type attribute. And value for this attribute is text JavaScript. Okay, now let's add very simple JavaScript code. And for that we're gonna use call function document write. And this function can be used to write a string inside the HTML document. So here inside the script tag we can add document write function. So we type document dot write. And this text we specified inside parentheses will be displayed inside the HTML document. So now if we save file and reload page, you can see that we have message we specified inside the function. When we talk about the syntax of JavaScript, important to mention is that JavaScript ignores spaces, tabs or new lines in JavaScript programs. So now, for example, if we copy this function and we make spaces of one line inside the code between these two functions, and here, okay, I'm gonna add 2. And now if we save file and reload page, you can see that we don't have space on the page because JavaScript program ignores this space. So this space we only have inside the codes and not inside the browser. Also important to mention that JavaScript is case-sensitive language. That means identifiers, variables and functions must be written with consistent capitalization of letters. So for example, here inside the script tag, if we declare variable a and initialize with some number, and now I want to show inside the console, inside the browser, I want to show this variable. So if we use console log function, and here we specify a variable, and if we save file and reload page and go inspect element and console tab, you can see that we have our variable here printed. But if we change this keyword here and we use first letter capital, you can see that we have error, and also here inside the browser we have error message. That means in this case to declare variable we need to use lowercase letters, because JavaScript is case sensitive. So again, if I use lowercase var, you can see that we have printed the number we specified inside the console log function. Okay, I hope you enjoy lesson. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, leave a comment. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.